Children, welcome to the class. Let's start the class, children, as we have started with the third chapter, organ systems, right? So before moving to the next topic, we'll give a just quick recap of what we have done till now. So children, you can see here what we have studied. First is organs. What is organs? The part of the body that help us to do various important work is your organs. Isn't it? There are two types of organs, internal organ and external organs. So what is external organs? The organs which we can see. And the internal organs are what? Which we cannot see. Isn't it? And we studied about the organs inside our body. So which organs we studied, do you remember? The first is foot pipe. In the given diagram, children, just see where is the foot pipe. You can see foot pipe is connected with the stomach, right? It leads from the mouth through the throat to the stomach. You can see here. Next is your stomach, children. If it is asked the sac-like organ, name the sac-like organ, then what will you say? Stomach. So where it is? Just see the location of stomach in the body, children. Next is windpipe or trachea. Windpipe, trachea is just near the foot pipe, children. It is connected to the lungs. It connects the throat to the lungs. It connects the throat to the lungs. You can see the picture. Okay. And what is the word? It is trachea. What it is? Trachea. Okay. The fourth one is lungs. So what we studied about the lungs, children, that pair of lungs in the chest. You can see that your lungs are located where? It is located in the chest. Isn't it? Next comes heart. Heart is where? It is located a little to the left of the middle of our chest and between the lungs. You can see. So this is the location of the heart. Next comes kidneys. So children, you can see at bottom kidney is written. You can see where the kidney is located in the body. Okay. The last comes brain. So brain is inside the skull, which controls our body. Isn't it? Which controls our activities. Let's move to next topic, children. What is organ systems? The group of organs inside the body that do specific tasks are called organ systems. So children, you know that there are organs inside our body, right? And even you have come across the name of those organs, right? So the group of organs does specific task. It can be the task of digestive, circulatory, skeletal, muscular. Okay, children. So these are the systems which the organs help us to do this work, this task. Okay. So what is organ system, children? The group of organs inside the body that do specific tasks are called organ systems. So there are some of the examples like digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system. Okay, children. So today we will study about these systems. Let's start. Take out page 12 of your book, children. Just now we studied about organ system, right? So what is organ system, children? The group of organs inside the body that do specific task or works are called organ system, right? And some of the examples are like digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, and so on. Today, children, we will study about these systems. So let's start. Some important organ system. Our body has many organs and organ system. Do you agree with this? Yes, we have come across these, right? So they work together to carry out different tasks. The first system is your digestive system. Children, this digestive system is related with the food we eat. Okay, so this digestive system, the food which we eat, helps to take in food from mouth, then food pipe, then in our stomach. We eat from our mouth, through our mouth, then food pipe, then it goes to the stomach. When it goes to the stomach, children, food is broken down to make it easy to digest. Just like a mixer grinder. If you see the mixer grinder, children, if you put some items in the mixer grinder and you switch on the grinder, what happened? It broke into pieces, right? Break into pieces. So children, similarly, when the food goes into the stomach, it breaks into the pieces for the easy digest. The digestive system consists of, for digesting, children, which organs are needed? Mouth, food pipe, stomach, and intestines. Okay, four organs are there, children: mouth, food pipe, stomach, and intestines. Okay, children, you can see the image of a child given here, digestive system, where food pipe, stomach, and intestines are located. Okay, next comes to respiratory system. Now respiratory system is related with the breathing. The breath which we take in and exhale. We take in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, right? So children, the respiratory system helps in breathing. It helps in breathing. So for breathing, which organs are needed, children? Nose. Through nose we breathe, right? Then it goes through windpipe and to lungs. Okay, children. So you can next comes circulatory system. Now circulatory system, like it moves, it moves in the body. So what moves in the body? Blood. The blood circulates to all parts of the body. The heart is the most important organ in this system. Why, children? Because it pumps blood to all the parts of the body, just like water pump. The blood flows through the blood vessels. The heart pumps and the blood flows through the blood vessels. You can see the image here, children. You can see the picture. You can see the location of the heart and the blood vessels. The heart pumps and the blood flows through the blood vessels. Clear? Just like the water pump. When the water pump is when it is pumped, then the water supplies from the water pipes, isn't it? So children, this is your circulatory system. Circulatory system means circulation of blood in our body, right? And how it circulates? It circulates through the blood vessels. The heart pumps and it circulates through the blood vessels. Clear? So next comes is your nervous system. Now what is nervous system? Our brain controls all the activities of our body. Do you agree? Our feelings, our thoughts, our actions, everything is controlled by our brain. It helps us to think and learn. The brain is a part of the nervous system. Okay, children? So what we have studied today, children, is we have studied about what is organ system and the different types of organ system and what are their tasks, right? Digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and nervous system. Digestive system is related to the food we eat. It helps in digesting the food. So which organs are consist of? It consists of mouth, foot pipe, stomach and intestine. Okay. Next come respiratory system. Now respiratory system, children, it helps in breathing, and it consists of which organs? Nose, windpipe and lungs. Clear? The third is circulatory system. Circulatory system sends blood to all the parts of the body, and when the heart pumps and it circulates through blood vessels. Okay, children? So the last what we studied is your nervous system. Our brain is a part of the nervous system. Why? Because it controls our body. It controls our activities of our body. Clear? It helps us to think and learn. So children, this we have studied today. So these are the important words which we have come across today. Digestive system. What is the first word, children? Digestive system. Circulatory system. Skeleton system. Muscular system. Respiratory system. Trachea. Okay, you can note down these important words in your copy. For this, children, draw margin, write date, write chapter name. Okay. So children, that's all for the day. Thank you.